It looks like there's multiple pockets of Sharknadoes developing.
Come on, I'm almost done. We gotta go. Come on!
If you really wanted to find me, you could have.
We're shutting down the ride, so I want everyone to exit the ride in a quick and orderly fashion. Do you understand?
How could both our phones be wrong? It reads like she's right here.
You looking for this?
They're staying up in the clouds for long periods of time. They're surviving up there, Finn.
She always answers her phone. This isn't like her. Have you seen my daughter? My tracking app says she's right here.
What's going on? There. Oh, hell no!
We better get you inside, Mr. President, now.
Could be worse. Could be zombies.